Okay, so we're gonna do a little nighttime cleaning. It is approximately 10:30. It's 10:30. But I figured I'll do it now, then I don't have to do it in the morning. I usually do it in the morning, and I cooked my ass off. Let me just show you what I'm working with, okay? All right, here we go. So, this is what I made. Some red rice that I need to put in a container that I have. I went and I bought all these containers. So we good. We good, girl. We good. Ain't nobody gonna say there's nothing to eat because it's all gonna be in here. Don't you hate when there is stuff to eat and they're just like, there's nothing to eat? Well, there's always something to eat, but you just don't want to eat that shit. Well, if you're hungry, you'll eat it, right? Go on. Go on. Hello, kind sir.
Hello, kind lady.
Oh, he got that coffee, y'all.
Oh.
Tanya told me to.
Howdy, y'all.
I told Tanya I had to clean my kitchen, and she was like, girl, you better put that camera on. So I was like, okay, Tanya D. Let's put you right here with the flowers. Who's that?
Who that be?
Hippie, yeah, here's a hint. I stay fly when I grab the mic to represent.
Ooh, bars.
Figure if I do it now, I won't have to really do it in the morning.
That sounds like a smart idea to me.
Yeah. I gotta buy this big giant thing of cheese because Tony is the cheese man and I am the cheese woman. And if he eats all the cheese and I eat all the cheese, he's gonna be mad and I'm gonna be mad. So I had to get this big thing of cheese. Anyway. Here, I'll show you what I'm working with. Yeah.
neighborhood in San Antonio, Texas, and the HOA has deemed this one family has put their Christmas ornaments up way too early. However, they haven't given a date as to when. Do me a favor, give me 20 minutes, I'll give you the story here in 1 second. Plus, of course, the biggest songs.
Alright guys, so thanks for joining me in my nighttime cleaning, because I don't think I would have done it without you. Or Tanya D. I would have done it. Okay, I would have done it, but it wouldn't have been as much fun. But those dishes right there, I just got utensils and 2 bowls, so I'm gonna do those tomorrow and put the dishes away tomorrow morning, and basically just do a little bit of organizing in this kitchen. But now it is approximately 11. Make a wish. Hold on.
What's up, guys? What you got in the house tonight? What's up?
What the hell did?
Money's in the house.
Oh my.
Damn, hell yeah. We got Michael Riley.
Oh my God. That was a tree trimmer. He scared the shit out of me. Hold on. Why is the tree trimmer in my house? Oh my God. Okay. Anyway. I just wanted to come and see if you wanted to say goodnight to the people.
Of course I do. Alright guys. Sweet dreams.
What did I tell you about telling other women sweet dreams? Street dreams.
Oh, street dreams, guys. Till next time.
We'll catch you on the flip side.
Yay, yay.